Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pumpkin ice cream cone. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pumpkin ice cream, we're going to begin right up here with the top. So I'm going to start up here, and I just want to begin by making a little line that's going to come up and down with like a sad face shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to come in. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and we're going to come in here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and up. And I'll do the same thing over here, a little line that's going to go down and up. Next, we're just going to make a couple little kind of wavy, long, drippy lines on here for our little kind of pumpkin ice cream. Next, we're going to make the cone. So starting right here, let's make a little line that goes down, and we'll do the same thing over here, just a little line that comes down. I'm sorry for Shadow's tail on the way. Right here, we just want to connect it with a curved line. And then starting in a little bit, we'll make a little line that comes down and another little line that comes down. Then right here, we'll make another little line that curves across. Now up here at the top, we want to make the little stem. So I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up. It's going to go over and then come back down. And then when it comes to the face, you can add any type of face on here that you want to. I'm going to give it just kind of like a little bit of like a happy, spooky face. So I'll begin by drawing a little line that's going to come down at an angle. We'll leave some space, and I'll make another line that comes down or up at an angle. We'll make a little curved line to connect it, so it's like a half circle. Do the same thing here, a little curved line to connect. Right across here, we'll make a little line that goes across. We'll make a little square shape, and then we'll go across some more. Starting here, I'll curve this line down, make a little square shape, and then we'll curve it up here. Then the last thing I want to do is on the cone here, I'm just going to add some little lines that come across here. And then we'll put some going the other way for some detail on our cone. And there you go, there's your drawing of some little pumpkin ice cream. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.